In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to add a file to Blackboard and how to edit display options for a file. In Blackboard, you have the ability to add files for students to access. The purpose of this demo is to provide the steps for adding a file. The steps are identical for adding any file, such as PowerPoint presentations, Excel files, Word documents, or PDFs. The first step is to make sure that edit mode is turned on. That is in the upper right corner of the course. Without edit mode being turned on, you cannot add or edit files. The second step is to identify the content area for your file. Files can be added to any content area. You can decide which location best suits your course organization. Click that particular menu link on the side of the course to enter the content area. Select the Item tool from the Build Content button. This takes us to the Create Item page. The first step is to enter the content information, starting with the name. In this case, this is a course syllabus. Scroll down and enter any descriptive text you have about this particular document. Then, if you scroll down, you can click the Browse My Computer button to locate and add a file. You can see the file has been attached. If I would like to add another file, I can click the Browse My Computer button again to attach it. Or if I've made a mistake and do not want to attach this file, I can click Do Not Attach. Scrolling down, we see the options for this particular item. The first option, Permit Users to View This Content, will allow you to either hide the content from students by selecting No, or display the content to students by selecting Yes. You can also track the number of views by selecting Yes or No for the second option. If you would like this to appear after a particular time or display until a particular time, you can check these boxes to set the dates accordingly. When you are finished with these options, you can click Submit. You can see the green success bar at the top tells us the item was successfully created. If we scroll down, we can see our item with the document attached. If there's something I want to change about this document, I can click the Action button just to the right of the title and select Edit from the menu, or if I'd like to remove the item completely, I can select Delete. In this demonstration, we reviewed the process for adding a file and editing file display options.